first, ato sa liugasan ang pipino para limpyo. So, I need only 250 ml of water para dili ni siya mag-float ang ato ang pipino. So, ato siya times of 2% para makuha na to ang grams sa kadagunon sa atong soda. So, ato sa 8 times. 250 times 2%. So, mag-need na ko og 5 grams of salt. So I need only this gani kadaganon nga salt sa to ang water. Ato din sila i-mix. So ato na i-transfer ang ato ang water with salt sa ato ang pipino. So, ito na sirada ng ato ang pipino nga naay water with salt. Let's observe the process of fermentation in 5 days in accordance to its changes in physical and chemical composition. So, it's already day 1 sa pag-ibon na ito aning pickled pipino. So, ito siya panahon kung unsang iyang texture. So, makita man na ito dali na ang iyahang color kay blurry na yung tubig. Then, ang iyahang smell. Paano yung smell? Di ko ka-explain, but mura na siya aslong na pipino or parak na pipino. Then, yung texture kay makita na ito nga paano pa siya, humuk na siya gamay. Then, yung texture like, yung texture kayo, makumuk na gamay. Yung volume kay wala mong yapon kayo na ibanan iyang tubig din sa susod, kita ko na sa nawa. Wala na kaya pagtalog ang tubig. Then, ang iyang taste, so di mo dyan kung paan ani nga makaon o ani mga pickled fruit as okay naman siya. Or siya pipino nga iparat-parat. Hello. Bakit to? It's a day 1. Hello guys. So, day 2 na siya sa atong pag-pickled sa pipino. So, makita natin sa video nga ang iyang color kay medyo blurry na siya. Mas blurry pa siya sa day 1. Then, natatan kung unsa yung kabaguhan sa sunod. Makita nato sa atong container nga ang iyang volume kay ang kadaganon sa tubig sa container kay murag naibanan na po sa naibanan na siya isa ka kutsara sa kutsara sa iyang tubig. Then, ang iyang texture kay medyo humok na jud siya. Mas humok pa siya sa day 1 na to. Then, ang iyang smell lain kay yung smell murag siya pipino nga murag na pantos or something di lang jud ko ganahan sa iyang smell. Then kung atong tilawan, aslom na jud kay siya. Pwede na siya sa kuan kanang isagaw siya sa salad nato makita mo po sa uban na i-apil ang mga pickled pipino sa salad. Then aslom jud siya as in. Maura to sa ato ang dito sa ato ang pickled pipino. Hi guys, it's day 3. So let's see what are the difference from our day 3 of a pickled pepino from our day 2 and day 1. As you can see, in the container, it's more blurry than before. Like in day 2 and day 1, it's more blurry. Then, as you can see, when I open it, the volume of the container is I think 2 tablespoons are lost, unlike from the day 2 it's like 1 tablespoon, something like that's the amount of that's the amount are lost. So and as when I touch this, it's more soft than the day 2. It's more like mas humok pa jud siya kaysa sa day 2. Then if I will smell this, grabe ka. Mura na jud siya alcoholic drinks. Mura na siya wine or beer something. Grabe. Then ang iyang taste aslong aslong sumay grabe aslong na jud kay siya. Oh. Maura to from our day 3 observation. Hello guys, it's day 4 from our pickled pepino. So let's see what are the difference from the day 3, day 2, and day 1 from the day 4 of our pickled pepino. So let's see first. As you can see, in the color, it's more bluey. The kind, if I would rate this into 1 up to 5, the blurriness of this container, I think it would be a 4 for me. Because yeah, that's my perspective. Then when I open this container, you can see the volume in it. I think um two and a half of tablespoon are lost for from are lost. Yeah. And when I touch this pickled pepino, like this, wow, it's so soft as usual. It's so soft than day 3. Yeah, it's literally smoothier. Then when I taste this, I wait. I will smell it first before I will taste. I don't like the smell. It's more like a more alcoholic drink than the day 3. For me, the smell, like more alcoholic, but it's not alcoholic, but it's it's like a kind of. Then when I taste this pickle pepino from now, I think it's more better than the day 3 days and day one. I like the sourness and the sourness of the pepino inside and it. Yeah, it's more delicious than the day 3 and day 2 and day one. I believe. If I would rate this to 1 out of 10, for me it's 8.5. Yeah, it's yummy. Mm. It's like a mango. A mango, mura siyang kinang, mura siyang ilaw-ilaw nga mango. Mm. Yummy. That's it for our day 4 of pickled pipita. So hello guys, it's already a day 5 for pickled pipita. So as you can see in the container, the color of the potato inside are more blurry. It's more blurry than the day 4, day 3, day 2, and day 1. It's really, really more blurry. Can you see that? Then, as when I open this, look, the inside. The volume are the volume are lesser than the 4. I think it's already like 3 tablespoons of tea and 3.5 tablespoon are left in the container. And when I touch the stick of pipino reminder, I already washing my hands, so my hand is clean. So when I touch this stick of pipino, oh, it's really really soft. If you can do that, then it's really, really smooth cooking. Then, as when I smell, yeah, it's really strong odor. Um, it's like, as what I said usually in my previous days when I observed this, it's really alcoholic, it's more alcoholic today due to the salt, I think. Then, so when I taste this, it's yummy. Really, it's really, really yummy. I think I would rate this as 9/10. The softness of this is um it's like 3.5 out of 5. It's really yummy. It's already I think it's really ready for the salad for the mixing or just like that. It's okay. It's yummy. It's for me, it's yummy. That's all. The observation of my pickled pino.